Hello, in front of me I've got Skullcandy Push Active. In this video I'll show you how to set up personal sound. In the beginning, let's go to Skull IQ app, but before make sure that your headphones are connected with the app. Now enter personal sound, create profile, get started, test your ears, and follow next steps. Of course, make sure that your earbuds are inside your ears. Now you have to press the button when you hear the beep. As you can see, this process takes a while, so simply follow these steps to create your personal sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.